introduce LIC's new Jeevan Shanti Plan 758, launched on 1st October 2024. This is the upgraded version of Plan 858, packed with attractive benefits and features for guaranteed future security. Stay tuned as we explore all the details in a simple and engaging way. Jeevan Shanti is a non-participating, non-linked individual savings deferred annuity plan. It offers guaranteed annuity rates at the time of policy inception itself, giving you peace of mind about your future income. You can choose from two options. 1. Deferred annuity for single life. 2. Deferred annuity for joint life. Deferred annuity for single life provides lifelong annuity to the policyholder after the deferment period. Deferred annuity for joint life offers annuity to two individuals, such as spouses or family members, with payments continuing to the survivor after one annuitant's demise. The joint life annuity option can be availed by two lineal family members, such as grandparents, parents, children, grandchildren, spouse, or siblings. This ensures both lives are covered under a single policy. This plan is flexible and designed to cater to a wide age group. The minimum age to enter is 30 years and the maximum is 79 years. You can select a deferment period between 1 and 5 years, subject to a maximum vesting age of 80 years. Your annuity payouts can be customized to your preference. You can receive payments monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, or annually. The minimum annuity amount starts from just 1,000 rupees per month, making it accessible to all. In case of unfortunate events, the death benefit ensures financial security for your loved ones. The death benefit is higher of 1. Purchase price plus accrued additional benefit on death minus the total annuity amount already paid in that policy year, or to 105% of the purchase price. The additional benefit on death accrues monthly during the deferment period, providing an extra layer of financial assurance. For dependent persons with disabilities, Divyangjan, this plan provides special consideration with no restrictions on minimum annuity and a minimum purchase price of 50,000 rupees. LIC offers attractive incentives for higher purchase prices. For example, if your purchase price is 25 lakh rupees or above with a 5-year deferment period, you get an additional benefit of 6 rupees and 25 paise per 1,000 rupees. And there's more. An extra incentive of 0.15% is available if you're an existing LIC policyholder. Let's take an example. Mr. Rajesh, aged 40, invests 10 lakh rupees in the new Jeevan Shanti plan with a deferment period of 5 years. Purchase price 10 lakhs rupees, single premium. Deferment period 5 years. Annuity option, deferred annuity for a single life. After the deferment period, Mr. Rajesh will start receiving his guaranteed pension with the flexibility to choose his payout mode. Yearly pension 87,823 rupees, interest rate 8.78%. Half-yearly pension 43,033 rupees. Quarterly pension 21,297 rupees. Monthly pension 7,026 rupees. Let's see how the pension changes with different deferment periods. 1-year deferment 68,597 rupees, interest rate 6.86%. 2-year deferment 73,704 rupees, interest rate 7.37%. 3-year deferment 79,111 rupees, interest rate 7.91%. 4-year deferment 84,819 rupees, interest rate 8.48%. 5-year deferment 87,823 rupees, interest rate 8.78%. The longer the deferment period, the higher the pension, ensuring more financial benefits in the future. Cash value post-deferment. At the end of 5 years, the surrender value will be 11,30,389 rupees. This ensures that Mr. Rajesh retains liquidity options while enjoying steady income security. Loan value. Mr. Rajesh can also avail of a loan against his policy, ensuring access to funds when needed. These features demonstrate how LIC's new Jeevan Shanti plan offers both flexibility and financial security, adapting seamlessly to the changing needs of policyholders. LIC's new Jeevan Shanti plan is ideal for those seeking secure, guaranteed income in the future. Its flexible options, attractive incentives, and comprehensive debt